Great! I found the clock face.
We have been waiting for you, Anna. Meine Damen und Herren.
What now, Otto?
Walter, please.
I don't know how to say this, but Dr. Hartman is dead.
What? Where? How?
We found his body in the cellar.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. I want to get out of here.
Walter, how do you know he was killed?
The gunshot wounds.
His wheelchair was found nearby.
Outside the cellar?
Yes.
Was there anything else?
Well, there was something strange. A few big boxes of cigarettes.
I don't think that is relevant, Walter.
May I ask, Anna, what you were doing there?
I was supposed to meet Dr. Hartman in the cellar, but when I got there, he was already dead. Now, please, everyone stay here. I need to go to reception and get the guest list. Wait, I found the guest list.
Did you find the guest list?
Yes, here it is.
I checked the list and it looks like everyone is here.
Pay attention, everyone. This is what we know so far. Dr. Hartman, Ulla, and Professor Kinski were killed. And nobody could enter or leave the hotel. Therefore, the killer is among us.
Oh, I'm so scared.
We don't know how or why the killer is doing this. So we must all concentrate and focus. Has anything strange happened to anyone over the last few days?
Yes! When I got back from breakfast, some cazzone had ripped open my luggage and dropped everything all over the floor. Now I cannot find my favorite shoes.
But you didn't see anyone.
No!
Passport!
Sorry, Professor?
My passport!
What about it?
I couldn't find my passport today. I thought I mislaid it, but now I think someone must have taken it.
Odd.
My German visa. Damn! I will not be able to attend the conference.
What conference?
A conference in Heidelberg. I was invited to give a speech about the connection between ancient Indian religions and modern German aspirations.
Anyone else?
I'm stuck here!
Professor, relax. Anyone else?
Well, yeah, I know how this will sound, but my gun has disappeared.
When did this happen?
I am not absolutely sure, but I think it happened early this morning before breakfast.
What caliber is it?
A 7.65 Mauser.
And you cannot find it?
Alas, none.
Huh. Anyone else?
Anna, let's go to the cellar. We might find bullet casings. Please, all of you be careful. Anna, could you please search over there? Maybe we could find bullet casings.